Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several days ago, so that is where the red line there is coming from as resistance, and that actually played in a pretty significant role in terms of Friday's price movement. Going into Friday, that was a level of resistance at 0088, and I will agree that that level was probably weakened up today because on several occasions, as you see up here, the price was able to get up above 0088. The problem became the price could never actually stay up above it. So as far as accomplishing the quote-unquote true breakout, that never happened. A true breakout having the two parts. First part being the obvious, well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price stay above that level? And the whole staying above it is, again, as you see right there, where the price ultimately struggled. So again, yeah, I would fully agree that 0088 has been a weakened level of resistance. However, it is still a level of resistance nonetheless. So continue to watch that level going into next week, as it'll be the key battleground that, again, not only needs to be broken above, but then stayed up above. As far as levels of support are concerned, it seems as though there's quite a bit of buyers that continue to hang out right down here around the 004 mark. If 004 does not quite hold up, then you'd want to immediately turn your attention to that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. And that's a level I would call kind of the must-hold level. And I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to that pink line and then just continue on down, at that point, what would that be doing to the price as far as the overall chart is concerned? That would literally be putting the price right back to where it started down here before, the big old move happened right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. But as of right now, the price isn't even close to that pink line, but just kind of trying to illustrate there why why it's so important for the price to be able to stay up above that level. So overall, Friday was a nice little solid day. The volume returned back quite heavily. Problem was the price just couldn't stay up above 0088. So we'll see what next week brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.